Good morning, everybody. We are on day 71 of the quarantine, right? I think all the rules are out. You're like, oh, you can't slurp. You can't slurp your coffee. Yeah, you can slurp because who's going to tell you not to, right? I think all of the social norms are going to be thrown out the window very shortly. Everybody's going to do, what they want to do. They're going to wear what they want to wear. They're going to say what they want to say. And nobody's shaving. Nobody's getting haircuts. People are not getting their manicures. It's really going to be, it's really going to start breaking down pretty soon. I think I'm losing my mind. And if it wasn't for this job, I think I would be really, really bored. Look at that. The phone's already blowing up right now. We set up a work phone here at my office. So it really is like I'm at 225 Broadway on the third floor right now, conducting business as usual. And for those of you who know me, good morning. For those of you who don't know me, good morning. My name is Adam Handler. I'm a personal injury attorney. They call me the case handler. This show used to be called Cruisin with the Case Handler, which was a show between myself and David Squeeze Annakie, who's in his Greenwich home trying to get things to work. But we broadcast live on 93.5 every morning around this time, around 8:03, and we just let people know how we can help him if, God forbid, they've been in an accident. How we can help them if, God forbid, something has gone terribly wrong at work or on the street or on the sidewalk or in a restaurant or in a hospital, because we're personal injury attorneys and we fight to make sure that we get you the maximum compensation for your injury if and when that terrible event should ever happen. So for everybody listening right now that can safely do so, go on Facebook, like the page. Go on Instagram, check out the case handler. Go on Facebook, check out the case handler. And if you can, save my phone number. My phone number at work is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That will connect you directly to my office, my team. It's a number that we always say we hope you never have to use, but God forbid you do. You'll be happy that you have it. And without any further ado, is my friend David ready to join the party?
I'm ready, man. I'm ready like Freddie. I'm always ready. You know that already, So ladies and gentlemen, it's not cruising with a case handler. It's containing with the case handler. In this time of coronavirus, hopefully everybody out there have been eating their Wheaties, but more importantly, washing your hands, okay? Practicing social distancing. Hopefully you all have been actually building up your immune system, taking your BioLife. Even if you're not taking BioLife, make sure you load up on a lot of vitamins. I can only vouch for the ones that are organic, herbal, and I know has worked for the past 15 years. Adam Handler is in his New Jersey home, since he pointed out my state, and of course he's there. He wants to represent you. It's good to see that people have been calling Adam Handler, man. A lot of people have been calling him up and say, hey, I got hurt here and I got hurt there.
Things are still going terribly wrong for people. We say it's going to slow down because not a lot of people are on the road, or not a lot of people are going to work, but things are happening. Things are happening. Wait, you called out my cough?
I just said a cough?
Yeah, a cough. Actually, I wasn't feeling great yesterday. I didn't want to freak you out, but I wasn't feeling great. I feel much better today. And as my grandmother would say, I'm as cool as a cucumber.
You're as cool as a cucumber, huh?
Yep. So we're good. But things are happening and people are getting hurt. I did get a bunch of phone calls from clients that have had sustained injuries to either an extremity or their neck and their back, and they've been prescribed physical therapy to help work through it, because that really is, other than surgery, which is always the last resort, physical therapy is usually the first step in trying to and trying to bring back, range of motion functioning. And a lot of these patients, a lot of these clients, they just don't feel comfortable right now going to that office and sitting in a waiting room with a couple people or using the machines that other people,
everyone is
even though the offices have assured everybody that they are wiping things down, that they are sanitizing, but I guess erring on the side of caution. So there are sadly people sitting at home right now in terrible, terrible pain, not able to get the medical treatment they need right now. So it's really just so widespread, the tragedy of what's happening. And I'm sure that's going to be something that's going to come up, years from now, if these cases ever go to trial, in which, the defendants will say, whoa, how come you didn't, if you were that hurt, how come you didn't go to therapy, in the month of February, March, April, and May of 2020? And that's when I'll bring out a big calendar as a big trial exhibit and mark all the days that, Cuomo was saying, quarantine yourself, don't go out unless you need to, because this is real life right now. So it's really widespread. And if anybody has any questions about their current case, either with my firm or with another attorney, or God forbid something happens, anytime soon, and you need to give us a call, you'll have that number saved. Give us a ring, 844-774-3529, and I'll open it up to any kind of question. We are a full service law firm. I handle personal injury. My partner Conrad handles the immigration. My partner Fred handles wills, trusts, and estates and real estate. A lot of people are getting scared right now that they don't have a will, and if God forbid they get sick and pass, what's going to happen to their money? Give us a call. We're happy to help. We're happy to give you our legal opinion over the phone, give you an honest opinion, let you know if and how we can help you. And that's everything from an immigration question to a personal injury question to an estate question. No question is too stupid. Have the answer, as Squeeze has been saying for over 15 years I've been on the radio with him. Knowledge is power, and having that knowledge is going to set you apart from the people that don't care enough to ask the question or are embarrassed to ask the question, and that's going to make a difference. Give yourself the edge. Have the information you need to be the best you could possibly be, and I truly believe that we can help you do that. 844-774-3529 is the only number you need to know if you need to speak to a really good lawyer.
Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Adam Handler, our personal injury attorney. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, as you noted, I think he said it all. I don't know why you need.
I did good today. See?
You did good.
I overdosed on vitamin C yesterday, and now I feel empowered. I'm going to take over.
That's
I'm going to take over.
Listen, I need a break sometimes, And last night I was up editing this friend of mine video, like 3.8 gig, loading it up on that stuff on that platform, it's just, hours of work, and, chopping up some mistakes here and there and all of that stuff.
You can't always be on, I'm sure you get this too. Sometimes you'll either go out with friends or you'll be with your family and you just sit there and you don't really feel like talking, right? And usually you're the conversation starter. And whenever you get quiet, I'm sure people, David, is everything okay? Is everything okay? I just don't feel like talking right now. So
exactly. Sometimes I just don't feel like talking. I don't want to talk to anybody.